Kia ora koutou and welcome back to another skipping tutorial. My name's Sasha and today I'm going to teach you another cool move where again you don't have to jump over the rope if you don't want to. Let's call it a basic wrap. Okay, to start with I'm just going to show you what it looks like. There we go. Nice and easy. We're going to break it down. Okay, to break it down, I'm going to face away from the camera so that we are facing in the same direction because it will be easier for you. And let's all work off the same side of the body. So figure out which is your left and which is your right. And then we're going to put our right foot forward with the toes pointing upwards. Rope is behind us. We're just going to swing the rope over and catch it under that foot and then stand on it. Okay? Arms are out straight. So we don't want them kind of like this, we want them out straight so that there's that tension in the rope. Then we're going to pick up our left foot, step forward, and then loop it around the rope. It needs to come through that sneaky little gap there. And put our foot on the ground. Then we're going to lift up our right foot. Watch your balance. If it's a little bit tricky to keep our balance, we can put that on the ground, that's fine. Then we're going to move our right arm around behind our body and then through. And that's the basic wrap. Okay, let's do it one more time. We'll go a little bit faster. We'll add a jump before and a jump at the end. Okay, here we go. There we go. That is the basic wrap. Let's have a little look at it in slow-mo. There you go. If you found that a little bit too easy, I'm just going to quickly show you a next level up. Okay, so it's the same thing. So it all basically goes the same, but when we loop this round, we step across our body and then we're going to add a spin in. So as we lift up that right leg off the rope, we lift it up and we spin and we spin and we turn out of it. My balance is not the best. Let me do it this way for you as well. There we go. So that's a level 2 for you. Keep practicing the basic wrap. It's a really cool move and it looks really nice. I'll see you in the next video. Ka kite anō.